This video will be very helpful for all beginners doing lip pan art. I have shared many easy ideas in it, which are solutions to many common problems. And I have shared a cone recipe. I haven't used molded clay, nor pop or wall putty. So let's see how to make everything in this video. So here I have taken a medium-sized MDF board and I have taken out some prints here. I am going to make something or the other out of all these things. You will definitely see it further in the video. So whichever paper we want to use, we put it aside like this and let's color the board here. So I have taken white color and some cone paste here. I have shared all these cones with you one by one. You can go and watch my previous shorts, you will hardly find them in long videos. So I will make a slightly thick paste and do a full coating like this. You don't need to copy this base, whatever method you know, you can do it that way. So there are many brush marks here. So I will remove all the marks using a sponge like this because the sponge gives a much better texture and looks very smooth. So here it looks something like this. So now it's time to trace this design on this board, so my method is with carbon paper. You can try other methods if you want. I find this method the best. So here the design has quickly come onto the entire board. And now it's time to make the design from the sides, so here too I am adopting a different method. It is not the method that everyone else does, it is quite different. So cut the paper according to your wish like this, check the design, open it and check how its petals look. After that, we have to keep making it like this. Many people make it in many ways, but my method is a little different. In this, all the leaves are in perfect size. There is no scope for even a little movement. And by cutting another paper, we cut a design on the upper side like this as well, and quickly we make all the things here. It is almost complete. My attempt is to make it a little different, but here I will not complete this design because the previous design was much better. This is getting very messy. So I have started sticking all of them here like this. You will find the recipe for this clay on YouTube in the short section, so you can watch and make it there. And I haven't used any wall putty in this, haven't used pop. Let me clear that first. After making it like this, let's also make the design on the upper side like this. And this will be made quickly because I haven't kept a very messy design. After this, the upper flower is complete and I will prepare the design in the middle with a cone. So let's see how to make the cone. So here I have used a small utensil and will strain it like this first. This powder is chalk powder, as you have seen it is written on the screen. After that, the utensil from which we took the chalk powder, we will take marble powder from the same utensil and strain it very well too. Straining is very necessary here. There might be some bigger particles in it. After that, I have used coconut oil here. So first of all, pouring coconut oil makes it stick well to the utensil, and after this, there is less chance of all the clay sticking to it. So we will pour Fevicol like this. We will pour enough Fevicol so that we get a proper consistency. After that, a little glycerin and liquid soap are used here. Mix it well. To give a little brightness, we will also mix acrylic paint in it. This is optional. After that, we are going to put all that paste, and if we need Fevicol we will mix more, but right now we will just put this much and mix it to try. We have to pay a lot of attention to its consistency to make this cone. So mix it like this here. Actually, it should be done in this, but I added Fevicol again in a very small quantity. You can drop it and see like this, then you fill it in the cone. So you know how to make a cone. So I had to make a cone, so there is a proper video for it. I have uploaded that video again. So you can go and see how I made the cone. I have cut the cone making part. Here the cone is ready and I have made the middle part with the cone like this. So here I have not used any store-bought clay on the entire board as you saw. And let's adopt another shortcut method here. We have to make OM here like this, and if we made it ourselves, some could be big and some small. That's why I use this idea, because of which all the symbols will be made of exactly one size and none will be big or small. We will darken it a bit with a pen. Finally, we will make all these with this cone like this. So after it dries, let's color it. So here you see it is looking perfectly in one size. So let's color it now. Here it has got a lot of marks and has become very dirty by constantly touching it. So here we will color it again with acrylic color. And tap it using a sponge like this. By tapping you can see how smooth the texture becomes. This is the perfect way. If we color this way then no brush marks are visible. So we decided like this that we will do blue on the upper side. You can choose the color according to your choice. So here everyone colors Krishna Kanhaya's dress yellow. But I am doing red here. So you also do it according to your choice, and there is no such thing that it should only be yellow. So red color alone is not enough here. I am going to do something else too. So here I have some gold leaves lying around, so I will use them. So I am going to stick it like this. I have applied a little Fevicol on the upper line and I will try to stick it. I am trying this for the first time. It's not like I have made it before. So let's try it out and you guys will also get an idea if you use it this way. I applied it like this, and because of rushing too much many leaves came off. So I pasted another leaf again and let it dry. After it dried well, with the help of a brush, I am going to remove the extra ones where I had not applied Fevicol. So let's remove the paper. It must be dry by now. I left it for a long time. So now with the help of a brush we have to slowly remove it like this where we have not applied Fevicol. So here almost everything is complete, and now it's time to put mirrors on it. So I have some mirrors lying around. I'm sticking them like this, and this is its complete final look. So how did you like today's video? Do let me know by commenting. See you in the next video with something new. Until then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.